Welcome. Today we have a small geometry question here. We have three sides of a triangle and we are tasked to find the area without using the Heron formula. And we are going to use some techniques here to find that area. So if you see here, we have the three sides. One side is 13 units. The other side is 15 units. And the other one is 14 units, and then we have to find the area. If we are able to drop a perpendicular to any of these sides, we can get the height, and that side becomes the base, and we know the area is half of the product of the base and the height. So we are going to find it. We are going to call h the height, and x one of the legs here, and 14 minus x the other leg of the side. We divide the side by 2, and we are going to proceed. We have two right triangles. So for the first one on the left, we get the hypotenuse is 13, and then we get h squared then is equal to 13 squared minus x squared, right? And on the right side, we make h squared is equal to 15 squared minus 14 minus 4x, 14 minus x squared. And we know h squared is equal to h squared, so we put them together. So we get 13 squared minus x squared is equal to 15 squared minus 14 minus x squared. All right, so let's compute that. We have 169 here minus x squared is equal to 225 minus 14 squared is 196 minus 28x plus x squared. All right, now we are going to break the parentheses here. We get 169 minus x squared is equal to 225 minus 196 plus 28x minus x squared. So these x squares are going to vanish. It is 196 here, not 169. Of course, you will see it. It's a small error there. So we get 28x is equal to 169 minus 225 plus 196, actually not 169. That's what that thing was trying to show us. So we get 28x is equal to 140. If we make the calculation here, we get 140 as the result on the right side. And that just gets us to x is equal to 5. So we have found x. We are going to replace the other values, plug in, and calculate h. So we knew that from one of these relations, h squared was equal to 13 squared minus x squared. So we make it simple. If we find x is equal to 5, we get h squared is equal to 13 squared minus 5 squared. So it's equal to 169 minus 25. We get 144. So square root of 144 is h. That makes it 12. So 12 units is the height here. So once we have the height, we can now calculate the area. We knew that area is equal to half of the product base times h. The base was 14, so 1/2 of 14 times 12 here. That will yield either way 84. So 84 square units. Whether we half the 14 first or half the 12 first, we get 84 square units. So that was the area we were looking for without using Heron formula. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.